Good morning to all my dear children. I hope you all are healthy and fine at your home. Today in this class we are going to study about plants. Our new chapter 11, plants and their uses. In this chapter we will discuss types of plants, that means various kinds of plants, parts of plants and their uses. So let us start our chapter. I am reading the paragraph. See children. Plants are living things. We see different types of plants around us. They grow in different shapes and sizes. Some plants are big and strong. Some plants are small and weak. Some plants grow on land and some in water. Most plants are green in color. Children, you all are familiar with plants? Okay. Are they of same size and shapes? No, na? So, which means that plants can be seen of different shapes and sizes. It does not remain same. Okay. It seems to grow. That means their sizes keep changing. One more question I am asking. Every plants you have seen, what is the color of the plants? Yes, generally mostly green color can be seen. Children, as you all are now child, okay, before that in the beginning when you came on this earth you were a small baby. Yes, your size was too small, and then with the time you grows and now you became child. This is the tendency of human beings. We are human beings. We have life. So we shows growth. Okay, we does not remain same. Same नहीं रहते. हमको growth दिखता है. जैसे small baby थे, then child बने, then from child you becomes adult, adult to grown up person. Like this growth happens. Growth बढ़ता है ऐसे. So in the same way, plants in the beginning stage, plants seem so small. They seem small, and with the passage of time it grows bigger. Okay, but there are also some plants which remain small. They are showing growth but their size remains small. Plants become big and strong, and some plants are small and weak. In the garden or your nearby surrounding you can see various plants. Okay, some are strong, some are weak, some are very big and some are small. In the same way, one more question I am asking children. Have you seen some plants which grows in water? Yes. For example, water lily and lotus. In our surroundings we can see plants grown on land. Okay, it needs soil, but also plants can be grown in water. पानी में भी plants grow कर सकते हैं. Okay, examples I had said now. So children, now we will see kinds of plants. There are various kinds of plants. Trees means very big plants. Then shrubs. These shrubs means small plants. Next herbs means very small plant. Next climbers it need support to stand. Creepers, this also need the support, but it spread along the ground. Next, water plants, these are the plants grown in water. Thorny plants, these plants have thorns on them. Okay, so these all are kinds of plants. We will study about them one by one, starting with the trees. So children, trees, very big plants are called trees. Trees have very strong, thick and woody stems called trunks. They live for a long period of time. Some trees like banyan, neem, mango and gulmohar have branches. Children, trees, what are trees? The basic characteristic is trees are very big plants. Plants जो एकदम बड़ा रहता है, that are called as trees. And trees have strong, thick means मोटा, and woody stems. उनके जो नीचे लोबो पार्ट्स रहते हैं, that is called as stems. That stems are strong, thick and woody. That part is called as trunk. It can be mostly seen in the banyan tree. See, in the picture, banyan tree is given. So, in the ground, above the ground, the stem is very thick and it is woody. So, that is called as trunk. Okay. These trees live for longer period of time. And some examples are given in the picture, or else you can see from near your houses, neem tree, mango tree, gulmohar tree, banyan tree. Okay, these trees are having very thick and strong stem. And branches, one more thing, branches means dahlia. It has one stem and several branches. With that stem several branches are there, बहुत सारी डालियाँ रहती हैं, वहीं से ट्रीज के ऊपर above side growth होता है. ओके, बहुत सारे डालियाँ, बहुत सारे branches you can see here in this type of trees. Let us come to the next page. See, here also trees are there, but the difference is in the banyan tree you can see several branches, but here the trees which are given in these pictures they do not have any branches. These are trees. ये trees होते हैं जैसे कि like coconut tree, ashoka tree, pine tree, palm tree. It does not have branches. It has stem. Okay, from that stem trees grows, but it does not have branches. इनकी डालियाँ नहीं होती. See, their shapes and sizes are different as compared to the banyan tree, mango tree and neem tree, because these trees are not having any branches. Okay children, now let us see shrubs. Some plants are small and bushy. What it is? Bushy. They are called as shrubs. They have hard, woody and thin stems. Rose, hibiscus, cotton and jasmine are some shrubs. Children, what is shrubs? Shrubs are different from the trees. Trees are very big, but shrubs are small and bushy. What do you mean by bushy? Here bushy can be said as घना. Okay, very घना, एकदम घना रहेगा ये plants. They are called shrubs. इनको shrubs बोलते हैं. It have hard. इनके जो stems होते हैं hard रहते हैं, woody रहते हैं and thin. Trees में क्या थे? मोटे थे stems. Okay, but here the stems are thin. You can see around you rose plants. Okay, rose plants may be there. Hibiscus plants may be there. Look there. See carefully, the stems are very thin. बहुत पतले stems होते हैं इनके. Okay, so these are not very big in size. These are small plants and thin stems. So these are called as shrubs. Rose plant, hibiscus, cotton plant and jasmine. They all are comes under category of shrubs. Okay. Now coming up next is herbs. What are herbs? Let us see. Very small plants are called herbs. They are very weak and tender. They have soft green stems. Most herbs live only for few months. Tomato, mint and brinjal are some herbs. Children, what are herbs? Very small plants. That means smaller than the shrubs also. Very small in size. That plants are called as herbs. And the character, one more character is this. To identify herbs is the stem of the herbs are weak and tender. That means soft. Okay. It does not have woody. एकदम लकड़ी जैसे एकदम मोटा thick नहीं रहेगा. एकदम weak रहेगा इनके stems and very tender. And soft, एकदम soft रहेंगे and green stems. These herbs are not living for longer period of time. Very short duration it lives and maybe of few months. Okay, such as example tomato. You all have seen the tomato plants. Okay, this tomato you have seen nearby your houses. These plants have very soft and green stems. Also mint you know, pudina. Okay, then brinjal is a vegetable. All these tomato, mint and brinjal comes under herbs. Okay, so children, that's all of today's chapter. Next further we will continue in our next class. Stay in home, stay safe and revise up till what we have studied now. Okay, thank you. Have a nice and cheerful day.